don't know, you just gotta be on some real shit. And maybe I'm not articulating it right, but like, you know, it's just like, how do you do that?
It's the Beats headphones. Damn. Oh, I got my very first Beats headphones. They were Soul 3s. I mean, the new ones are out already, but like, hey, this works. This is my first ever Beats headphones. When I was in high school, everybody used to wear Beats headphones and like Jordans and everything. But on freshman year, I didn't have no Beats headphones. I didn't have no phones. Actually, I did have a phone. I did have a used phone, but like that was all I had. Nice white embroidery. I got the right there. So, silver. There it is. Beats by Dre. Wow, it really just cancels everything around you. Myself. Not from the outside, from the inside. If you guys get what I'm saying. But look at this. This feels good. I don't want to just like bend it and break it, but okay, that's okay. That's okay as well. Here's one sticker here. This is where the plus button, volume up, volume down, answer call, end call. Let's remove it. Okay. Now I could just cancel out the whole world. Let's see. Let's try something, okay? Let's try something. So, if this stays on, it's a good headphones. If it doesn't, I don't know what to say. All right. All right. It is really gripping my head. I like it, but at the same time, actually I do like it. There's no other complaints with it. I do like it. It's a good headphones. Plug point for the headphones. Plug it in right there. Plug point. I see a point in this, but I'll take it. Pretty useful too. Actually, it might not be because it's the same charger as a PlayStation 4. These headphones, I will honestly give it like a maybe around 7.5 or like maybe at least an 8 out of 10. I would not suggest getting the gloss black because fingerprints gets on it really fast. Even though you could clean it, it gets on it really fast. From the cover, it looks white, but it's actually gray, silver right there. So yeah, peace out. King out, back with the new video. Stay tuned.